Examine each injector one after the other for damage to decide whether an injector may need to be replaced. To protect the injectors, refit the calibration tools by twisting. In succession, one injector at a time, remove the 2 combustion fuel injector seals. Caution: the aluminium stylus from the kit must be used. A harder material could damage the injector. Clean deposits from the shaft and seal area of the injector with a brass brush. Always brush towards the tip to ensure that the injection openings are not damaged or soiled. Then wipe the injector. Inspect the injector again for damage to the wiring harness plug, shaft and tip. The new combustion fuel injector seals are applied using special tools. For the rear position, pre-mount a new combustion fuel injector seal on the long assembly sleeve. And carefully push the combustion fuel injector seal onto the injector. Compress the combustion fuel injector seal slightly, which has expanded during application, and press it into the groove of the injector. Remove the long mounting sleeve from the press-on tool. Pre-mount the second new combustion fuel injector seal on the short mounting sleeve. And carefully push the combustion fuel injector seal onto the injector, but not too far. Compress the seals slightly and press them into the grooves of the injector. Remove the mounting sleeve from the press-on tool. Carefully slide the special tool over the combustion fuel injector seals on the injector to reform them. The seals are compressed via a cone when the lock nut is turned. Release the lock nut again and remove the special tool. If the tool is too firmly seated, use the puller. Check that the 2 combustion fuel injector seals are correctly seated, and fit the calibration tool by twisting to press the seals further in. The calibration tool is slightly tapered on the inside for this purpose. Remove the calibration tool again to check that the two seals are correctly seated. They must lie in the grooves provided and must not overlap these. They must not be compressed, expanded, or undulating, but must lie closely and fit properly in the relative groove. Once the seals are correctly seated, refit the calibration tool by twisting. It remains fitted to the injector as protection until the injection system is installed. If the combustion fuel injector seals are not correctly seated, remove and refit them. Change the combustion fuel injector seals on the other 3 injectors too.